We get new leaks for the Samsung Galaxy S10's display, and there are very little bezels here. MediaTek just announced their Helio P90 chipset, and it gives mid-rangers a shot at AI. And for those of you who use an Amazon Echo and Apple Music, the streaming services are apparently to get together. I'm Jaime Rivera, and don't forget, for those of you that participated in the Spanish Pocketnow Daily, Pocketnow Diario, with the giveaways, the winners are going to be announced today. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by Swappa. The official news today begin with deals. Amazon has decided to follow ship after Samsung announced 12 days of deals. Now it begins with Amazon pretty much up until December 13th, where there will be different deals every day. But obviously, before you get bored about seeing deals for diapers and things like that, well, it seems that on December 10th is when deals for electronics begin. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about the OnePlus 6T, as apparently there are complaints about the display, but these are rather sporadic. I mean, I have 4 units across all team members, and we don't have any units with the display just yet, but apparently some people are noticing artifacts when it comes to the notification tray and other areas. So let us know in the comments if you're having any issue. The company has not chimed in yet. Now let's talk about Amazon Alexa, which I actually have to talk rather slowly because there's another one over there at the end. And Apple Music, as I'm definitely not a fan of Apple Music, but there has been Spotify integration for the longest time when it comes to, Amazon Echoes, and now Apple Music is going to join ship. As of December 17th, you will be able to link both services, which is great. I actually like Amazon's Alexa speakers. These Echoes are actually doing a fantastic job, but Apple Music, that one's not my favorite. Now let's move the spotlight over to the company that actually builds the chips for these Amazon Echoes. If you didn't know, that's MediaTek. The company has just announced its new Helio P90 processor. For those of you that don't know, this is the processor that powers, that lineup is the one that powers the premium mid-range, and the company plans to bet very high when it comes to AI, 50% faster performance, and a new Fusion AI core that's being added to this chipset. I recently flew to Taipei to be able to see everything that's coming. You'll be able to see it on devices, I believe after December 13th, where it will be unveiled, and I assume that we'll be getting a unit with it. We'll keep you posted on that one. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy S10 screen protectors and very little bezels. There's a particular reason why we're covering this again. Ice Universe just recently leaked the screen protector where the bezels are nearly indistinguishable. I don't even know why they're painting them anymore. I mean, might as well just make a completely transparent screen protector and let the bezels just cover that up. But the point is, does any of you notice a cutout on that display? Because I don't see any. And we're not exactly sure if it's that the Infinity O will not be bothered by it won't require a display cutout, I guess. I don't know what the case may be, but let us know in the comments, what do you think? Do you think this is just a variant of the S10, or that cutouts won't be available on all? Because in my case, I think that's the case. I hear that there are up to 4 units, so that could be what we're looking at, but we'll keep you posted soon. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know what you think. And friends, before we end this video, we would love to thank our sponsor, Swappa, for making our content possible. Now that we have a new iPhone out, Apple has discontinued some of our favorite models like the iPhone X, iPhone 6s Plus, and the iPhone SE. You can still get these phones in a gently used condition over at Swappa. Check out the link in the description below to learn more about discounted iPhones on Swappa. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next week.